Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. If you purchased a 2026 Cadillac Visitq and you're back here looking for the control to turn the child safety locks on and off, and you're saying, well, how do I do that? It's not on the rear doors like it's been in the past with other Cadillac models. Here is what you need to do. Come right here to your center screen. We're going to scroll over here to controls, and you will see right here, child safety locks. Now, right now, they are inactive. If I select that, now they are active. Turn them off, you do the same thing. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, please be sure to share it on your timelines on social media and hit that like button. That helps me out a lot. If you haven't subscribed to the Vehicle Visionary YouTube channel, please be sure to do so. That way you don't miss any future videos. If you would like to learn about additional vehicles you may wish to consider purchasing, check out the video that's on the screen right now, and I will see you there.